Last night I turned this little hollow form box at Kennet Valley Woodturners, and when I've been doing this demo, some of you guys will have seen it, some of you guys are yet to see it, but I talk a lot about design, and but I do most of my design by eye. Now, last night at Kennet Valley, Martin was in the audience, and when I passed this particular piece round, along with some of the others, he kind of plucked this one out as one of the better shapes. And after staying with Martin and Natalia last night, we started to actually break this down a little bit, because during my demos I refer to Martin's book a lot, because Martin breaks down like the formula and the maths of things, and I always refer people to that if you don't feel particularly confident at eyeing things through. And then Martin showed me these awesome calipers, and we actually started looking at this particular box. And I will pass you over to Martin now to actually explain how these calipers work, and that even going by eye, sometimes you can end up at in the same place that you can, even if you go by eye or via maths and formula or these. So Martin, please feel free to explain this a bit better than I will.
Thank you. Right, so certainly Emma's demo last night was really interesting, and Emma, like myself and like a lot of other people, turn by eye. We can sort of naturally see the proportions that sort of work. And as Emma said, in my wood turning form and formula book, I dive into the use of the golden ratio. And as Emma was turning this piece last night, I was sort of spotting that actually the proportions Emma was turning by eye are very, very close to the golden ratio. So I've given Emma a set of my new golden ratio calipers, and we've actually broken this down. Bear with me. We've actually broken this down to be able to look at the proportions without using any sort of mathematics at all, and that's where these calipers... Whoops. Let's just try that again. I'll leave that in. Yeah. And that's where these calipers are really good at helping people out without mathematics to help sort out their proportions and stuff.
Martin's gone through this with me and it's blown my mind, which is why I was like, please do a video on this, because it's just like...
So these are the golden ratio calipers. They measure a minimum of 26 millimeters across these 2 points, the 2 outside points, and a maximum of... It's about 29 centimetres, so about 290 odd millimetres, something like that, 11 3/4 inches.
Okay.
So what we can do with Emma's piece here is, if we lie it down, if you can just hold that steady there for me, Emma, just for that camera there. If we open these up to the same height as the piece, so get one of the outside points there and the other outside point just there, what we can see is on the middle point just there, that is where Emma has quite naturally put the widest point of the curve of this piece. And she did that completely naturally, just totally by eye. Now, if I leave the calipers exactly as they are, turn the piece up this way and place them across there, Emma is within sort of 2 or 3 millimeters of this proportion of the height of the piece according to the golden ratio, which is just bonkers. Now, if we also take that measurement across the top of the piece just there, and then put the lid back on just there, and then measure across the very top of the lid just here, you can also see that Emma has quite naturally put on the diameter of the lid piece, or the opening, which is also directly proportional to the diameter of the piece, but also the height. And she's done that without using mathematics, which is fantastic. And it also goes to show that people can innately see these proportions. And whether or not you go down the mathematical route of learning the golden ratio, which of course is 1.618, which if you've read my book you will know, but yes, you may know that anyway. But these calipers will actually remove the need for mathematics. And when you buy a set of these golden ratio calipers, there's a little set of instructions on the inside. There we are. A little set of instructions on the inside, but there is also a 20-minute how-to video that is linked to where you can see me using these pieces to actually design a piece out on a piece of graph paper. But even if you've got a blank absolutely stuck on the lathe, you can use these calipers straight away without the need for mathematics and calculators and having to remember that magic number of 1.618.
Oh, I think they're brilliant.
So there we are, there's the calipers. There is a link in the description if you are interested in them. And Emma, fantastic job with that.
Yeah, it's just blown my mind as all that. So it was a really interesting experiment because I keep talking about this at demos and saying I must measure it, I must work it out. And there you go, it's just worked out, and it's just, yeah, it's mind-blowing how it's kind of built into us somehow. So
it is,
do trust your gut feeling, but if you're not sure, there's always apparatus or mathematics to work things out and fall back on.
Yep, if in doubt, measure it.
Yeah.
Well, thanks very much indeed for watching. I've got to let Emma go off to her next demonstration now. So take care, everybody, and we'll see you all soon.
Yeah. Cheers. Bye, guys.
Bye.